All right, number 5 actually is a special case, so I'm going to do this one. I'm going to draw a line. This is the left side of the equal sign. This is the right side. Okay, get the m's together. Well, first let's combine like terms on the left side. 3 plus 6 minus 14. 3 plus 6 is 9. Minus 14 is negative 5. Plus m. Plus m minus... Ooh, looks like we got the same thing on both sides. But before you just jump into saying, oh, it's no solution, oh, it's all real numbers, oh, it looks weird, I don't know what to do, just continue solving the problem. Get the m's on the same side, so subtract m. Okay, now I have that's 0, so negative 5 equals negative 5. Now, if that right here, now all the variables have gone away. Only when all the variables have gone away will you have a no solution or an all real numbers, okay? Now, if the statement is true that you're left with, it's all real numbers is your answer. If the statement is false, your answer is no solution. So here, our answer is all real numbers. Number 9. 3 halves x minus 3 halves x. Wait, what? 3 halves x minus 3 halves x. That's just 0. Does that equal 3 halves? Nope. All my variables went away. Is it a true statement? No. No solution. Continuing. Oh no, it's fractions. That's okay. Not too big of fractions. Again, line where the equal sign is. This is the left side. This is the right side. Combine like terms, first of all. So 1b plus 1b is 2b. Plus 1/5 equals negative 49 over 5. Now this 1/5, to get it to the other side, we don't times by 5. Okay, we're used to timesing by the reciprocal, but that's when we want to bring a fraction to the other side that's next to a variable. This is not next to a variable. This is just hanging out. Plus 1/5. So we need to subtract 1/5. Oh my goodness. How nice of them. They gave us the same denominator. This is so helpful. We don't even have to change the denominator of these fractions. Negative 49 over 5 minus 1 over 5. That's negative 50 over 5. Which is also a non-fraction. So 2b equals negative 10. So divide by 2, and b equals negative 5. To write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line, remember slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. It has to be in this order. So all we're doing here, we're not solving, we're just rearranging how it's written using our inverse operations, using those same things that we use to solve for equations. So number 11 and 12 is what I'm going to do. So first get the y by itself, move furthest from the y to closer, so subtract 7x. So we'll subtract 7x on both sides. Now we have negative 4y. And it's important that you put the negative 7x before you put the number, right? Because that's how it's written in y equals slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So some people got that wrong on the quiz where they put the number before they put the x. So make sure you put negative 7x, and then you have your y-intercept negative 32. All right, so when we're doing percentages, what percent of 159 is 132? I recommend writing an equation, just translating the English words into math. So what percent? That's like an unknown. That's our variable x. Of in math means times, so times it by 159. And then is means equals. So equals 132. Then it's nice and easy. This is an equation we can all solve, right? We just divide both sides by 159, put it in the calculator, and you should get your percentage. X equals 83%. Do that for number 16 as well. Everly buys a dress for $100. What was the originally priced? That was originally priced as $120. What percentage discount did she receive? Okay, first of all, percentage discount is what's the money that she saved, that she didn't have to spend, and then what's the total? The original. Sorry, over the original. So the money she saved, she spent $100, but it was $120, so she saved $20. but the original price was 120. That's what we divide. 20 divided by 120, and you get 38%. Matt tips $18 on a $94 bill. What percent did he tip? Tip, divide, original. So you get 18 over 94, and that is 19%.